I could feel the connection between nature and the deeper self, a reminder that a true exploration isn't just about new places, but also about turning inward. Hey yo people, welcome to my podcast Life Adventures Taught Me. In today's episode we're gonna do a little hike around the mountain that is named
You just forgot, right?
Dainui. Let me check. So the name of the mountain is Nui Ding. We have just stopped driving the scooter. We just entered the forest. There's a lot of waterfalls because it's a rainy season and a lot of rivers, so it's gonna be plenty of nature. So what we need to be really careful with are the snakes. Our friend told us we should be really careful about them because there is type of a snake that is just stuck on the floor, and when it hears people or some kind of noise, it doesn't go away. It actually just scooch itself like a, I don't know how to say it, body next to body, and it looks like a leaf. So you cannot see it. So once you step on it, it bites you, and it's like it has a lot of poison. So it's really dangerous, and many people die from it. Some people camping over here. As you can see on the floor, it's hardly to recognize the snake because it's the same colors. Hopefully we will not see it, or if we want to see it, we're gonna see it from the distance and on time. Ants.
They're quite bigger compared to European ones, the dark ones.
So these are the forests that we usually see on TVs with a lot of animals, wild animals. First animal we spotted. Are you poisonous? I don't think so. I don't know. As we wander through these scooter narrow paths surrounded by wild greenery, Vietnam is telling its age-old stories of simpler times when people lived in harmony with nature, just like in the movies that captured my imagination. On our way, we discovered hidden temples in the rainforest, and these spots are places where spiritual calm meets wild nature. These are kind of open air natural temples. In every second place you can see people
I just chill.
Enjoying. So definitely in my home I'm gonna have a couple of these. There is something deeply grounding about traveling this way. Riding through the emerald wild, watching nature unfold and finding ancient temples along the path. Vietnam's rainforest is not just a backdrop, it's alive, mysterious and deeply spiritual. Rainforests of Vietnam are home to over 13,200 plant species and around 10,000 animal species, including many found nowhere else on Earth. Vietnam hosts 25 primate species, including the critically endangered Tonkin snub-nosed monkey and Delacour's langur. In some areas, there is a big part of the rainforest still untouched. Historically, tigers and leopards lived in Vietnam's rainforests, though their numbers have greatly declined due to poaching, hunting, and habitat loss. Many rainforests plants are used in traditional medicine and some of them are being studied for modern treatments. So we will stop over here because we don't have a lot of gas.
I think
Until now we were driving a lot and I drove like how much? 30 or 40 kilometers? Something
more.
here. Yeah, we are stopping over here and let's
What's up? What's up? What's up?
let's stop over here. I said.
Let's stop over here because you were the one who did it.
Have gas. Yeah, whatever.
But you will see in your video how your legs went. But right now,
We move forward with hiking on foot, not on scooter. So there are many like little concrete roads, but it's obvious it's pretty wild, the nature, and I don't see so many tourists. Saturday afternoon and I don't see honestly anyone walking over here around, only local people. Oh shit. Yeah, everything is so lively and everything is moving. So you never know what is it. Is it a snake, something poisonous, or just nothing? As we got lost, we found ourselves with plenty of time to simply pause and take in the sounds of the rainforest. This is the plants that my mom used for decoration in the house, and here is just a wild plant. And these ones, always in the gardens of grandmas. Some bamboo. There is a story that I heard about a 6-year-old boy that wandered into a forest and endured 5 days alone in the wilderness. He survived on wild fruits and stream water and was ultimately found weak but alive thanks to alert locals. Who is the brave one right now? Look, like a little dog. Coming back. Oh yes, maybe they are fierce working right now. You see who is brave now. Let's hope not to shake off a snake on my head. Oh, it's moving too much. Although rare, small herds of Asian elephants still survive in Vietnam's highland forests. As we moved forward exploring, on our way we met some tourists whose bike broke. It just stopped on the way. Luckily, it was not a serious problem, it only needed a small break after a long ride. Complete, bye! Okay, I got bitten over here. Not so visible, but yeah, it goes all the way here. I have no. Wow, it's so many.
like
there are many, not only 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I mean, there's only one. It's just that it's swollen.
No, but it's swollen here. It's not only one. It's more. It burns, not like crazy, but I feel it.
Yeah, we buy. Bye.
So no more concrete area, it's getting more and more wild. Should we or should we not move forward?
We can. Looks nice.
And here we have durian that we tried in the last or some episodes before. It's not delicious at all. Another different shaped termesus. They are singing.
Let's go there, let's see what it is there.
And we went to see where are these sounds coming from. Oh my god. I thought it was a guy peeing.
It looks like it, I don't agree.
So prayer, misa is going on. As the day came to a close, I sat in a quiet meditation, letting the sounds of nature and temple flow around me. I could feel the connection between nature and the deeper self, a reminder that a true exploration isn't just about new places, but also about turning inward. Here, surrounded by ancient forests and hidden temples, I reflected on the obstacles we all carry, the fears, doubts, and patterns that quietly hold us back from living fully. Meditation in this place isn't just a pause, it's a gentle confrontation with those inner barriers, an invitation to face them and release what no longer serves us. Today wasn't only about the temples and the thrill of wandering around the jungle, It was about remembering to look deeper, to reconnect with ourselves, and to embrace the peace and clarity that come when we step fully into the present.